Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to parts 40, 41 and 42 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our wonderful friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you want to grab this for yourself, head over to this link all the way along there. Bink. And you too can be building this iconic Partwork, folks. Okay. In the magazine this week, you got the TV show there, season 2, episode 40. Great Batman comics. Some of these days, it says there. Year by year is 1974. You then got a big old wolf man there looking rather mean, isn't he? Some 100 pages of Batman there in that comic. We got our step-by-step instructions today, which is so easy, it's beyond belief. So that's what we've got there. And then we're just combining a couple of wheel parts together today, ready for the next issue. And literally, that's what you've got. You've got your die-cast inner rim there, and then you've got a chrome outer. And it's literally just saying, turn it over and push it together like so. That is it. That's what we're doing today. Nice and simple, isn't it, folks? So I'm going to not leave it there. I'm going to go and grab the next issue because, yeah, that's what this issue's telling us that we're going to have. Okay, so that's issue 40 done. Next up, we've got issue 41. Again, we'll go through the TV show Batman comics, 1975 this year. But we are more interested in, there's the Batman family. We've got the tyre today that's going on the wheel assembly, which will then give us the inner wheel with the tyre around it. Okay, folks? So that's what we're going to be doing on that one. And all it's asking us to do is get this wheel and this tyre and just put the two halves together like so. Okay? So that's what it's asking us to do today. So we'll do that and get that all ready. And then, obviously, we're going to be screwing the wheel together in the next issue. Okay, I'm going to grab it now. There's issue 42 because I've had 3 deliveries today. So again, simple quick flick through the magazine there so that we can come to our parts, which is there, folks. Sling that around there. And we want to line this up and get this in place with CP screws, folks, okay? So once you get the first screw in, it'll be easy because it'll retain the wheel, folks, okay? I just want to orientate this the right way so we can line them stubs up. Then we can put the first one in. Like I say, once you've got the first one in, the job is so much easier, folks, okay? So there you go, that's one. Let's grab that one. We're just working our way around the wheel now, folks. Just securing everything in situ. Like that. Always good to see this stage coming in because the model itself starts coming together, doesn't it? There you go, so let's put that on there. And then by powers of deduction, that will be the last one to hold that rim in. Up there. There is actually one more, which is there. And then we'll have 2 AM screws then that we'll pop the drum on the back of that wheel with. So we've got them just to the left there. So that's that done. As you can see, looking rather sexy, isn't it? And then we got a drum there, okay? So these go over these two little lugs, one there and one there, okay? That's going to sit like so, and then be held in with AM screw. Each side. We'll pop that in. Think. So, grab that. Do the same the other side, and then we can screw them in fully then. There you go. Let's grab that one now, line that up. And then fully home them now, and that's that drum on that rear wheel quite nicely now. Let's scoot that in, pop, just like so. It's then asking us to get the spacer or the washer, whatever you want to call it, out. And we're going in with an FM screw, okay? So that's going over that washer. Let's just grab that, let's put that in place. And then we can fit the rear wheel onto the axle, folks, okay? These are the little bats that go on the wheels. I'm keeping them in bags at the moment until the model goes together. So I'm keeping these little bags to one side, and then I keep these in the box with the rest of the smaller parts that we've built up over the recent weeks. And then this will go on the model at the very end when I'm about to put it on display, okay? Just protects them. Right, let's bring our chassis in, and we can pop that rear wheel on, I think, don't you, folks? Pop the wheel on, line the screw up. So that's what we've got at the end of this one. We've got a three-wheel Batmobile, look at that. Oh, isn't she coming together well, folks? So that's what we've got today. So don't forget, you're going to build this for yourself, folks. Follow this link all the way along here. I think that'll take you to the Fanhome website, where you can grab yourself this iconic Batmobile, folks, okay? Don't forget as well, click the little festa in the corner and subscribe to my channel. Also ring the bell when you're there, and you'll get notified of future issues, folks, okay? In the meantime, thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye.